Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we are doing an update here for Dogecoin. So Dogecoin right now is trading at 0.341. On the weekly time frame, we see Dogecoin is trading around our 61% of our fib, which remains as a critical area of support. Now, last week we saw Doge show incredible strength here by defending the 50 moving average at 0.272 and bouncing back into a consolidation range. However, it did fail to close above the 33 cents. So it's keeping the upside rally as an area of resistance. Taking a look at some of our RSIs and our indicators here, the RSI has shown slight improvement towards the 54%. So it does show some mild bullish momentum. Ideally, we do want to push this closer to the 60% here. Now, when we take a look at our moving averages, we do see the 20 moving average continue to be a strong support on this higher time frame. And so long as Doge can hold above it, then the overall trend is going to remain as bullish. Now, what ideally we do want to see is the bulls to push over to the 78% of our fib around the 39 cents and with strong volume to sustain this uptrend itself. Shifting over to the daily time frame here, we do see Dogecoin showing clear signs of resistance around our 20 moving average and our 50 moving average. So these two are acting as a strong dual barrier for our area of resistance and basically capped our uptrend momentum. The recent rejection from these moving averages caused a pullback closer to our 61% of our fib here, where the price is currently slightly above. Now, we do need to see a few areas here in order for Dogecoin to hit key areas of resistance and continue this momentum. But if we take a look at some of our indicators, it'll show us a little bit more of a price action. So taking a look at the RSI, around our 43%, it's leaning towards the bearish side. Again, not considered as oversold. Normally we consider oversold anything below our 30%. So the 3% area does show us or suggest that there is still some room for further downside if buyers do fail to step in. The MACD indicator histograms, these bars here, it does indicate some reduced momentum for now. If Doge can break above 0.35 and hold above it, it could possibly push the price closer to that 0.39, as we previously discussed is a key area in our weekly time frame. But if we do lose the 34 cents support, it could send the price back to test this lower support around the 30 cents. Heading over to our immediate short term for 4 hours, we do see Doge attempted a bounce around our 23% of our fib, but struggled to hold above the 38% around the 34 cents. The price does remain below the 20 moving average and 50 moving average, indicating the short-term bearish pressure, and possibly we may see this death cross where a smaller moving average goes below a larger moving average and kind of foresees a possible downside in the near future. Now, heading over, the RSI is hovering above the low 30s, which again is nearing our oversold territory, hinting a possible potential bounce. Keep in mind, 30% for Doge isn't considered as strong oversold. Possibly we may see the price coming down to that 30 cents, depending on how strong the sellers are, and possibly see the RSI dip lower below the 30% until we can be able to see that nice bounce. Taking a look at the MACD indicator, we see these bars here, they're still bearish, suggesting momentum is still in the favors of the sellers. However, we do see lighter in color and size, so it potentially may be slowing down for the bears. If Doge breaks above the 32 cents, we could see a possible fall again around that 30 cents as the major support, as we previously said. On the upside, if we do see an uptick in volume here and numerous engulfing candlesticks, then we could possibly come up to the 34 cents, close above that with strong convictions from the bulls, and possibly attempt another break around the 35 cents to the 36 cents. So those are the targets here to look out for if you guys are following Doge. But thank you guys so much for following me. Like and subscribe as well. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.